stepper motor. This is stepper motor, and we can run the stepper motor with this driver, stepper motor driver. And this is the stepper motor. This is NEMA, and this is the model number. And we can run this with program with PLC, stepper motor with PLC. This is the PLC, Delta PLC 14SS2 transistor type, and we can run. I have made this arrangement, just some switches. I will run this. See this, if I press 1, this will rotate to some degree, adjusted 60 degree. Now it can rotate counterclockwise. If I press this button, it will rotate counterclockwise. See this. Now it will rotate in counterclockwise. Now it will rotate clockwise, and now it will rotate counterclockwise. This is the setup, and I made some program. You can see input output on PLC also. Now it is rotating counterclockwise, now clockwise.